Hello there, my beautiful people. Let me tell you how lately my algorithm has been flooded with K-pop idols, and their makeup looks so flawless and so stunning. I mean, aren't you guys curious on how they achieve that dewy, glowing lip and cheek look? I was just so curious, so I had to do some research. It turns out that they're constantly visiting dermatologists, getting their makeup done by luxury salons or makeup artists that I bet cost hundreds of dollars. And also sticking to strict diets and routines. They might call it effortless, but let's be real, that's a lie, and it's just a lot of work and a lot of investment into their looks. So today I'm going to show you an easier way to achieve that beautiful look without all of that high-end maintenance stuff. This is all just about smart product choices and the right application techniques. So for today, here is the inspo. We're doing dewy K-pop idol looks, but today I'm going to be mostly concentrating on mimicking that glow on the cheeks and the lips. If you look at the inspo, you could spot some key features of the idol makeup. Number one, they have flawless lips without a single crack. Not like me right now. Super dewy, super plump, and hydrated. And two, they have gorgeous glow on their cheek. Never greasy or sweaty, just a perfect amount of glow and dewiness. I, in my opinion, just think that just gives a very healthy looking skin. And finally, they do body makeup to make sure that they have some glow on their collarbones and shoulders too. Today, I'm going to focus on exactly that to mimic that beautiful glow. So let's finally begin. So for our base makeup today, I would suggest going with something that you would put on everyday basis. Today I decided to play around with makeup, so this is what I came up with. Alright, so for step number one, as you can tell, even though we are doing a dewy look, we are not trying to look greasy or sweaty. This is definitely greasy. Do you see my forehead? I do look glowy. I do look like my skin is healthy, obviously, but we don't want to look greasy at all. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that everything seems set. So I'm going to set it with my translucent powder, just ever so lightly. Yes, even though we're going to do a dewy look, that doesn't mean we're having a glow all over your face. So the glow needs to be in the right place. I'm going to lightly pat some translucent setting powder under my eyes and a little bit on my forehead. You see that? That was grease. Turning the glow down a little bit. Okay, now we're definitely ready for our first step, which is going to be our lips. We're going to definitely start from there because I'm super excited to show you what I've got here. As you know, the major part of idol makeup is their juicy lips. But it's not about just putting any gloss, it's about the art of creating dimension. I'm sure you have came across of dimensional lip combinations before. It's like lip contouring, but it's just a little bit better. So I'm going to use that technique before I go ahead and apply my lip gloss. I'm going to outline it on my Cupid's bow, like so, into like triangles, kind of. I'll add some here. And on the bottom here, as you can see, it's mostly as a contour and it creates those cute bow style lips. Now at this step, we are ready to talk about the 3D volumizing lip gloss from fwee. This is definitely a game-changing lip gloss. It actually changed the whole concept of me about wearing lip glosses in general. As you know, personally don't like wearing lip glosses because of their stickiness, of them being pretty heavy on the lips. I do not like the feeling of anything on my lips, and once I put my hands on fwee, you guys, of course I had to test and abuse all of these products before I put them out here, but I was definitely super impressed. At first, I thought this was just a cute regular lip gloss, but no, this is actually so innovative and I cannot wait to share what this is about. So it comes in two versions, 30 pigment and 70 pigment. The shades are the same, but the pigmentation changes, so you can control how bold and sheer you want your lips to look. This is something that I've never thought I needed, but I do need it now. This lip gloss comes in so many colors, and you could actually skip all the complicated idol steps and get that perfect plump look with just seconds. Today I'm going to be using Vanilla 70, which is right here. Doesn't the packaging look edible? Yes, it does. I'm going to be using Vanilla 70 because it's a little bit more richer than the 30. It is perfect for recreating more of this airport makeup idols wear. Then Vanilla 30% will be perfect. I was literally wearing this to do grocery shopping the other day, and I was stopped by a lady and she asked me, why do my lips look edible? My lips look like candy, you guys. It's crazy. Do you see how effortlessly this creates a perfect juicy lip? That was way too easy. Also, again, the shade range is pretty diverse, so you could choose your perfect shade based on your undertone. Like I said, 30% is perfect for that natural sheer look, and I'll just show you the difference right now. This is me currently wearing 70% vanilla And now I'll go ahead and put on the 30. I definitely think the shade Vanilla looks a little bit better on me with my undertone. It is a little bit more on the olive side, so it just looks like my lips, but a little bit better. You can find this chart even over here or on their website. I do like the 30%, but of course the 70% just makes it look a little bit more chic and bold, of course. This one would probably be perfect when going out on some errands, to the gym, and etc. I love how both of these look. It makes my lips look like candy, you guys. And the 30% is a lot more sheer, as you could see, obviously. And it a little bit gives off like a transparent sheer jelly madness, but I love it so much. It is gorgeous. My favorite thing about this gloss is the perfect balance of shine without feeling heavy or sticky. Like you saw in the beginning, my lips were not in the perfect condition today. This gloss instantly hydrated my lips and smooth out my cracks. Even right now, as I wiped it off, you could see they're much more hydrated. I love that you don't even need to prep your lips for these. I feel like the best skin match for my skin tone is vanilla, but Scotch was such an unexpected favorite. On the back of my hand, it looks like a deep brownish shade, but once I applied it to the lips, it blends seamlessly with natural lip color, making a huge difference. I'll be inserting a clip of how it looks on my lips. Honestly, I feel like Scotch is one of the most universally flattering shades. No matter your skin tone, I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. I'm also using both 30 and 70% with the Scotch. So now that we have our lips figured out, let's find the perfect dewy blush. Finding the right blush, it tends to be pretty hard. I have tried glowy blushes before, but they may have been too shimmery for me. While some could have been too wet, the other ones are probably made me look a little too sweaty, which I did not like. But today I have got the right product for you. And it's going to be the fwee Glowy Jelly Pot. As you may know, I have been using this product for a while and I've been trying to see what works well, and I have been really enjoying them. I think I'm going to actually enjoy them a lot more in the summer. I just cannot wait for those summer looks. fwee's Jelly Pot is a multi-use lip and cheek balm designed for perfect glowy makeup. It comes with 18 shades and one jelly shimmer balm. There are so many color options, so there is probably one that matches your shade. And can we also talk about the cutest packaging on this one too? It is super cute and so aesthetically pleasing. The best thing about this jelly pot is definitely the jelly formula. Look, when you press it into it, it bounces back. But when you melt it with a silicone brush, it turns into the soft, dewy pigment. Let me go ahead and swatch this on my hand. This is the shade Cherry Paw, which is JR03. And it makes my lips and cheeks so naturally flushed and hydrated. For that Effortless Idol Flush, I'm using this shade today. Like I said, I'm using this silicone brush to warm up the product and tap it to my cheeks. I'm making sure to apply it in the middle of my cheeks to the high point of my cheeks only. Also, you could use both this silicone brush or your dense blush brush for application. Do you notice a slight difference? Do you see how natural this looks? It is not too shiny. It is not too matte. It is just a perfect soft glow. And the best part, that it's not too sticky at all. Unlike some glossy blushes that may feel heavy. This one is super light and very comfortable to wear. I've tried wearing this shade for the whole day, but it felt perfectly fine. And of course, as you can see, we already have this jelly pot on our cheeks. But don't forget that we could also put this on our lips. So I'm going to put the same shade because I love this one so much. It gives off the most natural flush. I'll be applying the Cherry Paw over to my lips as well. All right, you guys, lastly for today, and of course, like I mentioned before, the K-pop idols, they love to add some makeup onto their body to add in some glow and dewiness. It's not always about their face only. As you could see on some of the inspo photos, you could see that their shine is also appears on the collarbone and of course some shoulders. So I unleashed it for you all to show you how you could achieve it. The easiest way to replicate that is going to be applying this jelly shimmer. Just look at this beautiful piece. It is super glowy and I have not used this one. It is just super glowy. I'm going to be warming it up with my silicone brush and then just applying it over to my collarbone. Wow, that is beautiful. Okay guys, do you see this immediate glow? Immediately my skin looks super healthy, super shiny. And I'm looking super hydrated, just like the idols. You could be a little bit more generous than I was, but with just a little amount of product, you could see how amazing the effect looks. Wow. All right, you guys. So after seeing me recreate these beautiful K-pop idol makeup looks with just jelly pots and as well as 3D volumizing lip glosses, what do you think about this look? Do you think I have made it much more easier for you to recreate the dewy look? I really think so. I have swatched several shades. You could also let me know in the comments which shades stick out to you the most. I think not every shade is perfect for every skin tone, of course, so make sure you choose something that is best for your undertone. I will stick to vanilla and scotch. Super beautiful shades, my personal favorites. But let me know if you're trying any of the other ones in the comments below. Are you interested in trying any other shades that you may have been thinking of? Let me know that as well. By the way, have you tried any of these blushes before? I am totally obsessed and I'm totally going to be using all of them in the summer. These are something very innovative. They are really cool for lips as well as the cheeks. I love this glow. I cannot live without it. You know how much I love dewy, glowy skin. I definitely don't think that you need expensive salons, expensive makeup artists to achieve this beautiful glow and as well as put in so much effort. Really, you just need the right products that work for you. I had so much fun reviewing these beautiful products, and like I said, the experience with them is super pleasurable. They look absolutely aesthetically pleasing. fwee products are never going to disappoint me, honestly. I have been using them for quite a while, and I cannot say anything bad about them. Honestly, nothing. After seeing them everywhere, I am just so happy to test them out for you here in one video. Thank you again, guys, for watching this video. Make sure you check all of the links in the description, but I will be seeing you on my next video. But for now, have a good one. Bye!